Now, today we are going to see the first part of the lecture is we will see conversions from fixed base index number to chain base index number. So write the heading. Conversions from fixed base index number to chain base index number. Now, first we saw conversion of CBI into FBI. So chain base index number into fixed base index number, and then from fixed base index number to chain base index number. Now, over here, what will be given? So year will be given and conversion from FBI into CBI. So fixed base index number will be given. We have to find chain base index number. Now, the formula is very simple. What is a chain base index number? Chain base index number is equal to normally it was price of current year upon price of previous year into 100. So same over here, we will write instead of price, similar formula, but here we will write index or fixed base index of current year upon fixed base index number of preceding year or previous year into 100. So normal formula what we used to do for chain base was price of current year upon price of previous year into 100. So instead of that, here we write fixed base index number of current year upon fixed base index number of previous year into 100. Now, extremely important over here is the note. This is very important. So the note has two parts. First part, if base year is not given, where it is not given, it is not given in question. यानी क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे भी ऐसा दिया नहीं है कि बेस ईयर इतना है, ये है तुम्हारा बेस ईयर. देन फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर for the first year, so first year यानी ये वाला साल, this is our first year. If base year is not given, then for the first year CBI is equal to 100. CBI is equal to 100. Second one, if base year is given, where given? In the question. In question for first year. So first year यानी this year, okay, this one. For first year, CBI is equal to FBI. So if base year is not given, then you have to take it as 100. If it is given, then you have to take CBI is equal to FBI. So this note is extremely important.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, હવે પેલા ફોર્મ્યુલામાં P4 ની બદલે B5 નહીં હશે બેઝ યર?
P4 નથી, previous year છે, PY.
પ્રીવિયસ યર છે, ઓકે હા.
Okay. So लिख लो सब ये फॉर्मूला. Now we will be doing a exercise sum. Exercise 1.2, question number 2. Exercise 1.2, question number 2. Now, obtain the chain base index number given below with the year 2007-2008 as the base year for the wholesale price of machines and equipments. So now obtain the chain base index number. So let's see what is given from the fixed base. So this is FBI. So please write FBI. ताकि फॉर्मूला में भी तुम गलती नहीं करो, बिकॉज दो फॉर्मूला है, दोनों कन्वर्जन है. पहला सीबीआई एफबीआई, दूसरा एफबीआई सीबीआई, तो कंफ्यूजन ना रहे इसके लिए दिस सम इज एक्सरसाइज 2.1, sorry, exercise 1.2, question number 2. Now, year is given and index number of machines are given. Now, your base year is also given. So, if base year is given, we have written a note for it. So, once again, I go to the note screen. So, this is the note given that if base year is given in the question for the first year, CBI is equal to FBI. So let's go back. Now, let's make the format. Now, this is the format. Write the heading. Now, year is given, write various year, write the fixed base index number. One 125.1, 128.4, 131.6, and 134.6. So 117.4, 118, 121.3, 125.1, 128.4, 131.6, and 134.6. Now chain base index number. So let's write the formula. Is equal to fixed base index number of current year upon fixed base index number of preceding or previous year into 100. So please write this formula first. Now, for the first year, can you tell me what will be CBI for the first year?
117.4.
Yes,
117.
117.4 because base year is given in the question. So we have to take this the same. Okay, now for 2009, 2010, 117, 118 divide by 117.4 into 100, which is equal to 100.51. Then 121.3 divide by 118 into 100, which is equal to 102.796, so 0.80. Then 125.1 divide by 121.3 into 100, which is equal to 103.1327, so 0.13. 128.4 divide by 125.1, which is equal to 102.64. Into 100 is equal to 102.64. 131.6 divided by 128.4 into 100, which is equal to 102.49 and 134.6 divided by 131.6 into 100, which is equal to 10.
Sir,
Oh,
sir, in above 102, there is 1 to 4 coming. 1 to 4.5.
okay, let me check. 131.6 divided by 128.4. 102.49.
No, sir, above 102.64. In 103.1.
Over here, 11, 12. Kayu Barash. Which year?
12, 13.
12, 13. Okay, let me check. 12, 13. 128.4 divided by 125.1. 102.64. Nishta?
Yes, sir, I'm trying once again.
Oh, try again. Proceed now. 134.6
Sir, you once check in 11, 12 value.
11, 12. What are you saying, Nishta?
Sir, can you please once check the 11?
Now, exercise 1.2, question number 3. The fixed base index number of food for the month of January to October in the year 2015 for the industrial workers of Ahmedabad are given below. Compute the chain base index number. Now, months are given, index number is given. So, make the format, write the months, fixed base index number are already given. So, we have to find CBI. So, FBI.
Sir, माउस sir पहला आने पर बस हम sir नट लखा माउस हम पहला आने पहला वाला
માનવ આ
हाँ सर
સોલ્યુશન છે એનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લેજો ઓકે
हाँ सर ले लो बरो हाँ हाँ सर
okay
डन
okay now make the format for this sum question number 3 January 271 271 February 270 then 268 and again 268 then 278 then 283 then 283 then 293 then 293 and then 299. Now we'll write the formula, write it over here. Chain base index number is equal to fixed base index number of current year upon fixed base index number of previous or preceding year into 100. So write this formula. Now, let's start with the sum. Now, for the first year, what will be the CBI? Can anyone tell me?
100.
for the first year, what will be the CBI? Because base number is not given. Yes,
100.
you can see
100.
if base year is not given for the first year, CBI is equal to 100. So for the first year, you take it as 100. Now, for February, 270 divided by 271 into 100, which is equal to 99.63. Then 268 divided by 270 into 100, which is equal to 99.259. So 99.26. Then 268 divided by 268 into 100. ये कैलसी पे करना, गलती करना में नहीं तो, which is equal to 100. 278 divided by 268 into 100, which is equal to 103.73. Then 283 divided by 278 into 100, .798. So 101.80. 283 divided by 283 into 100. कैलसी पे करना ये खास, which is equal to 100. .293 divided by 283 into 100. 103.53. 293 divided by 293 into 100, which is equal to 100. 299 divided by 293 into 100. 102.047, so 05. See, over here, I have written some information for a particular item, okay? Some item A. Now, year 2010, price is 100, and year 2019, price is 200. Can you tell me what will be the index? 200 upon 100 into 100, which is equal to 200. So it means what? That there is 100% price increase. You all agree with me? Now, 100% भाव बढ़ गया, प्राइस डबल हो गया, बट क्या सिर्फ प्राइस ही देख के हम इंडेक्स कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो ये फेयर है? अगर आइटम ए मैं 2010 में बहुत ज्यादा कंज्यूम कर रहा था, लेट मी राइट क्वांटिटी, मैं 2010 में आइटम ए ओके 20 kg कंज्यूम कर रहा था, और 2019 में मैं ये आइटम ए कंज्यूम कर रहा हूं सिर्फ 15 kg. तो मुझे क्या देखना है कि यहां पे सिर्फ प्राइस का हम इंडेक्स निकालेंगे तो हो सकता है ये करेक्ट है मैथमेटिकली कि 100% प्राइसेस हैव इंक्रीज, बट आई आल्सो हैव टू सी कि फ्रॉम माय पॉकेट हाउ मच आई एम स्पेंडिंग. सो लेट्स डू दिस एंड फाइंड आउट कि कितना मेरा एक्चुअल कॉस्ट हुआ. तो मेरा जो कॉस्ट है वो ईयर 2010 में था 20 kg इंटू 100 kg, which is price into quantity. So it comes to rupees 2000. And in the year 2019, it comes to the cost or the expense what I do. Okay, it comes to rupees 3000. So here from 2000 it has become 3000. तो मेरा खर्चा increase हुआ है. तो उसका index क्या है? So 3000, what's the index for this? Is 3000 divided by 2000 into 100, which comes to 150. So if I go only for price comparison, my index is 200. But when I go for price into quantity, my index is 150. So I would say my expenses have gone up by 50%. Now, what is better, price comparison or this total expense comparison?
Expense.
ऑब्वियसली एक्सपेंस, बिकॉज मेरे पॉकेट से पहले 2000 खर्च होता था, अब 3000 खर्च हो रहा है. प्राइस हैज इंक्रीज नो डाउट, बट माय क्वांटिटी हैज डिक्रीज. So now what we are going to see is only taking price index number may not always be the right indicator. So what we do is we go for index number formulas where we take price, at the same time we give importance or weightage to quantity so that we can get a better index number for analysis. So let's write the next index number. So I write the heading index number using weights. Now using weights यानी क्या? Weights यानी वजन. तो वजन यानी क्या? यहाँ पे कोई हम जिम में थोड़ी ना डंबल उठा रहे हैं, खुद का वेट, वो वेट नहीं. वेट यानी इंपॉर्टेंस. Say for example, right now you are having 7 subjects. You have account, stats, eco, OC, English, Gujarati, and computer. Maximum weight you will go give to these 4 commerce subjects as compared to other 3. So that is what exactly is weight. Weight means, right over here, weight is equal to importance. Now, first index number, what is given over here, is known as general index number, which is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. Now, you already have seen weighted mean. Similar concept. Weighted mean was what? I write over here. Sigma Wi xi upon sigma Wi. So similarly, here we have sigma Iw upon sigma W. Now, what is I? I is equal to index number, which is P1 upon P0 into 100. Weight is equal to importance. Weight, okay, also as a formula, I'll include it over here only because we have to see this formula once again in cost of living index number. Weight is also equal to P0 Q0. That is price of base year into quantity of base year. Price of base year into quantity of base year. So you have to write this formula. You also write this example. You can take a screenshot of this and write this formula. come to exercise 1.3. Yes, come to exercise 1.3 on page number 29. Exercise 1.3, page number 29, question number 1. Now, this type of sum can come for 2 or 3 marks. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Page number 29. Now, the information about 6 different items used in production of an electronic item is as follows. Find the index number and interpret it. Now, looking at the question, we will decide what index number formula we will be using. Now, items are given A, B, C, D, E, F. Weight. What is weight? Weight is importance. For your understanding, denoted by W. Percentage price relative. ये कौन सा relative आ गया? What is percentage price relative? Can you tell me?
Index.
Yes, price relative, percentage price relative is index. So, in this sum, okay, please ध्यान रखना जिनको ये नहीं पता चला है कि इंडेक्स नंबर का दूसरा नाम है प्राइस रिलेटिव, तो नोटबुक में लिख लो प्लीज, नहीं तो एग्जाम में विल स्क्रैच योर हेड कि ये परसेंटेज प्राइस रिलेटिव तो पता ही नहीं सर, ये कहां से आ गया सर, कहां से आ गया? अरे भाई, फर्स्ट लेक्चर, प्राइस रिलेटिव कंपैरिजन between prices of 2 different years, that is our index, price of current year with reference to some base year. So I is already given, so let's make the formula, or let's make the format. Sorry, not the formula. I'm already ready with the format. You also start making it. Now, here the columns will be items, weight, and percentage price relative, which is equal to I, index. You can see over here, index. Okay, so I and then weight is equal to W. So write W over here. Now, write the question. Weight. $300, $315, $320. Now, what we need, let's first write the formula. Formula is index number is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. Sigma W के लिए we have to find the total. So here we need to find the total of all this is a sigma W. So it comes to 100. Then इंडेक्स का टोटल नहीं चाहिए, हमें चाहिए सिग्मा आई इंटू सिग्मा डब्ल्यू. सो नाउ मल्टीप्लाई वेट into index price relative, and then the total. So now we have sigma IW and here we have sigma W. So let's apply it, which is equal to 30,700 upon 100, which is equal to 307. Answer. Let's read the question. The information about 6 different items used in production of an electronics item is as follows. Find the index number and interpret it. So your interpretation is to be done. So your index is now 307. So let's write interpretation for the same. Interpretation the index number is 307. The index number is 307. So the prices have increased by 207 percentage. कैसे है 207? 307 minus 100. This is the final answer. You have to write this. हो गया सबका? Now, next question. Question number 2. Exercise 1.3. Question number 2. The information about 6 different items used in furniture item is as follows. Find the index number for the year 2015 with the base 2014 and interpret it. Now, weight is given already, so W is given. Price of 2014, which is our base year, and 2015, which is our current year, is given. So we have to use this to find I, which is index. So let's make the format. Now the format is ready. I've already made the format. You start making it. A, B, E, and F. Weights 17, 15, 22, 16, 12, and 80. Price of 2014, current year, base year is 30, 24, 20, 24, 50, 70, 32, 40, 40, 48, 16, 24. Now, go through the question properly. You have written properly. Yes, always cross verify. Now, index later, we write the formula first. Index number is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. So now first let's find out I, which is equal to price of current year divided by price of base year into 100, which is equal to 80, and 24 divided by 20 into 100 is equal to 120. 70 divided by 50 into 100 is equal to 140. 40 divided by 32 into 100 is equal to 175. 48 divided by 40 into 100 is equal to 120. And then 24 divided by 16 into 100.
Sir, instead of 175, 125 will.
Yes, that's wrong. Correct. 40 divided by 32 into 100 is equal to 125. 48 divided by 40 into 100 is equal to 120, and 24 divided by 16 into 100 is equal to 150. Now we have to do a total of this weight. Let's do the total.
100.
Yeah. Which is equal to 100. Now I into W. So index is 80, weight is 70. So 80 into 70, 1360. 15 into 120 is 1800. 22 into 140 is 3080. 16 into 125 is 2000. 12 into 120, 1440. And 18 into 150, 2700. The total of this 12380. Now, formula is sigma IW upon sigma W. So which is equal to 12380 upon 100, which is equal to 123.80. Is the sum over?
No, sir. Interpretation.
Interpretation. So let's write the interpretation. Now let's interpret it. Index number is 123.80. So prices have increased by 23.80 percentage. How did we get it? 123.80 minus 100. So interpretation is required. It's really important.